Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the wall is clean, dry, and primed. This ensures paint adhesion and color fidelity. Next, tape edges and sketch key shapes at full scale so you know spacing. Use 1/2 distance practice sprays on cardboard to test caps and pressure. Try fat, thin, and split lines. Once comfortable, block large background areas with sweeping passes. Keep the can at a steady distance of about 12 inches, moving your wrist, not your arm, to control drips and texture. You now build the mural by layering. Start with broad background tones and progressively add midtones and accents because layering creates depth. Make fades by spraying in short bursts while moving away to feather edges. For crisp lines, use a skinny cap and a steady hand. When switching caps, wipe nozzles and test on cardboard to avoid blobs. Use stencils or masking for repeat shapes, and step back every 10 minutes to judge color balance and composition before committing to. You finish by refining edges, sharpening highlights, and applying a protective clear coat. Choose matte or gloss based on lighting and wait 24 to 48 hours for cure. If you get drips, sand lightly and repaint that small area, then blend with feathered passes so transitions read natural. For overspray, gently remove it with the recommended solvent on a rag, testing first in an inconspicuous spot. If colors shift, repaint that section. Finally, photograph your work for records and sign it where appropriate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.